Well, we had been wanting to build an A-body GM for a while, and of course a Chevelle is an easy pick. So we found this 72 Chevelle in a barn, and a little bit of work, we pulled it out, and it was a pretty solid car to start with, but it did need some work. So we stripped it down and sent the frame and the body off to be blasted. In the meantime, we started talking about what we wanted to do for a theme for the build. And we both decided that having a street car was going to be the way to go with this.
And after getting it all tore down, it turned out to be a pretty nice old car. We sprayed on some of what I'm calling bow tie blue. It's a medium blue with a whole lot of pearl and some flake into it. And outside, this thing absolutely pops. And then we had to add on some of those pearl white racing stripes. Racing stripes and Chevelles, they go hand in hand.
We made a couple of rules. We said we're going to keep the bench seat, and we're going to keep the column shifter, and we're going to keep it automatic, and it's just going to look like just a regular restored Chevelle, but with one exception. Under the hood, a bunch of power. It's a 406 cubic inch small block Chevy with a blow-through carburetor, F1A Pro charger, air-to-air intercooler, runs on 93 octane pump gas. This thing lays down almost 1,000 horsepower. It is a beast. Well, with the car finished, we knew we needed to take it out somewhere to see what it could do. And I knew just the road to do it, the tail of the dragon. Now, I had been there in the past, but on a motorcycle, and I knew that this was the perfect road to put this car through its paces. We set up shop at the Topoco Lodge, and since this was the off-season, we pretty much had that place to ourselves. And as for the road, it was empty as well. This road is perfect to see what a car can do. It's got everything. It's got the curves, elevation changes, straightaways, and of course, gorgeous views. This car turned out exactly the way we hoped it would. It's a great cruiser, but it's got that muscle under the hood we can call on it. We're really happy with how this project turned out, from coming out of a barn to cruising down the tail of the dragon. We couldn't be more proud of this build, and we hate to see it go.